show you a shipment that just came in from Grove Collaborative. I've watched a lot of cleaning videos on YouTube, and these products were highly recommended. So, hi Ellie! So this is our second shipment, and I'm really excited to see what all we got. Our first shipment, we got a free little cleaning caddy when we ordered, which was super cute. We got a lot of really cool sponges and dish towels and a lot of the cleaner products. So I'm really excited to see what's in this shipment. Huh? Let's see. Okay. So first to start, this is a microfiber duster. So this is flexible. It's made to get into tight spaces. This part is actually washable, and let's see, it works like a magnet to collect dust. It's ideal for bookshelves, baseboards, ceiling fans, and more. It's got this nice little handle so you can hang it. It's made out of bamboo recycled plastic. And let's see, it's got a non-toxic coating on the bamboo. So this is super nice. And it's nice that it's machine washable so that you can use it more than once and you're not, you know, wasting money in refills or anything like that. Let's see. Alright, so this is the Method Daily Shower Cleaner. And obviously with 6 kids and 5 boys, we definitely need bathroom cleaner, and this works really well. It gets rid of like all the grime that kind of collects on shower doors and stuff like that. And we have a glass mirror to one of our shower doors, and that is like really hard to clean, and I had a hard time finding any products that would really like cut through the grime that would build up on that, and this works perfect. So I use this like every day. Let's see. This is the Method antibacterial toilet cleaner. This is really nice because it cleans the toilet really well without using harsh chemicals, and this scent is spearmint. It kills 99% of household germs without using all the harsh chemicals that's in a lot of the other toilet cleaners. So this is the all-purpose cleaner in the scent Wildflower. This cuts through grease and grime really well. It's great for kitchen services, high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans. So it's really nice with having a small baby to make sure that the products that you're using on something like her high chair, where, you know, she's obviously touching with her hands and then putting her hands in her mouth, making sure that, you know, the products that you use are safe for, you know, the babies too. So that's why I really like these all natural products, is because I know that it's safe for everybody in the house. This is another all-purpose cleaner, and this is in the scent Pink Grapefruit. This is probably my favorite. This scent is really, really nice. This was the first Method product that I ever used, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. And it's the same thing. You can use it on everything, and it really does like cut out the grease and the grime without harsh chemicals. So this is the Method, let's see, bathroom cleaner. And like I said, with 6 kids and 5 boys, I definitely need a product that's strong enough. And any mama boys knows that their bathrooms can be a total disaster. So it's really hard to try to find an all-natural product that's really going to get the bathroom clean and smelling good. And this definitely does a really good job at that. Alright, so this is the Method dish soap, and it's in the scent Lime and Sea Salt. I absolutely love this dish soap. I'm able to use a lot less of the product than I have to with like Dawn dish detergent and stuff like that. It just seems to cut through like the grease from cooking, and it cleans and sparkles really well without having to use a whole lot. So, and it's non-toxic and plant-based, so it's really a good product. All right, Ellie, let's see what else we got. Alright, so I have not used this yet, and I'm super excited. This is a room freshener, so it's like an alternative. You think that's neat looking? This is an alternative to like Febreze. It's in the lavender scent, and it says to be relaxing, soothing, and relieve fatigue. It's made with essential oils, so I'm super excited to try this out. So it's a much safer Febreze. And if it can help relax, that's pretty awesome too. So, let's see. This is the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. It contains olive oil and aloe. We tried this with our last box, and we had this scent peppermint, and it smelled super good. This is the rainwater scent, so I'm excited to see what this one's like. Okay, and this is what I've been dying to get in. This is the Bubble Up soap dispenser and dish brush set. So I'll get this out so you can see what it looks like. So here's the little brush. And then here's the little dish. So all you have to do is put some water and add some of your Method dish soap in here. And then you take your brush and you just kind of push it down, and it creates like suds. And then you're able to wash your dishes. And everybody that I've seen that's talked about this say that like they save so much on dish soap. So I've already like not had to buy nearly as much dish soap since I started using this, so I'm really excited to see how much longer this lasts with using this. I haven't tried it yet, but this seems like it's hard enough that it really could get like, you know, baked on stuff and that, so I'm excited definitely to try this. And they say it's dishwasher safe. A lot of people say they just take it out and rinse this out, but it is dishwasher safe. So it comes out, so you can totally clean that, which I'll have to do since I fell on the floor. But yeah, and it's not like, it's cute, so it'll look cute on your sink, and it's not like clunky or ugly or anything like that. So that's everything that we got from Grove. We'll put a link down below on how you can go and get these products, and with your first order, you can always get like free products and things like that. It's a really great company, and like I said, we have 6 kids in here, so these products work awesome. And we're going to be doing probably some cleaning videos coming up with like different like cleaning motivation, because obviously with 6 kids our house gets super messy. So if you want to see like tricks on what we do and how we try to keep our house clean, and different ways that we found help make things go faster and the day go a little bit smoother, we'll have all that like coming up. And we'll have more with Ellie. Huh? You gonna make more videos? What do you think? Alright, so say everybody bye. Say thanks for watching. Bye.